Have you ever wondered how some people seem to achieve so much in the same 24 hours we all have? Whether it's crushing their work goals, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, or still finding time for their loved ones, they seem to have productivity down to an art. But here's the secret. Highly productive people aren't born with some superhuman ability. They've mastered habits that keep them focused, efficient, and ahead of the game. In today's video, we're diving into the 3 powerful habits of highly productive people that can transform your life. Stick around because these are practical, actionable tips you can start implementing right away. Let's unlock your full potential together. Habit number 1, prioritizing with laser focus. Highly productive people understand that not all tasks are created equal. They use systems like the Eisenhower Matrix or the Pareto principle, 80-20 rule, to separate high-value tasks from low-priority ones. Instead of trying to do everything, they focus on what matters most, the tasks that bring the greatest results. For example, if you're working on a project, spending 80% of your time refining the core idea will be more impactful than tweaking the visuals. One effective way they prioritize is through daily planning rituals. Every morning or the night before, they create a to-do list with their top 3 priorities. This way, they tackle the most important things first when their energy is at its peak. They also master the art of saying no, whether it's declining unnecessary meetings or turning down commitments that don't align with their goals. They protect their time fiercely. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing what truly matters. Habit number 2, ruthless time management. Time is the one resource we can't get back, and highly productive people treat it like gold. They use tools like calendars, timers, or apps to structure their day into focused blocks of time, often referred to as time blocking. For instance, instead of having an open-ended workday, they set specific times for emails, deep work, breaks, and meetings. This eliminates wasted minutes deciding what to do next. Another key tactic, the 2-minute rule. If a task can be done in 2 minutes or less, they handle it immediately rather than letting it pile up. Small actions like replying to an email or filing a document are cleared out of the way, making room for bigger tasks. They're also strategic with their breaks. Using techniques like the Pomodoro Technique, they work in focused bursts of 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break. This keeps their energy and concentration levels high throughout the day. Lastly, they avoid multitasking at all costs. Studies show that multitasking reduces productivity by up to 40%. Instead, they focus entirely on one task, finish it, and then move on to the next. Habit number 3, mastering consistency and discipline. Productivity isn't about occasional spurts of hard work. It's about showing up consistently. Highly productive people build systems and routines that help them stay disciplined even when motivation wanes. They start their day with intentional morning routines. Whether it's a quick workout, journaling, or reviewing their goals, these rituals set the tone for a productive day. Another key habit is tracking their progress. They keep track of their wins, no matter how small, to stay motivated. This could be as simple as crossing items off a to-do list or using habit tracking apps. They also practice self-discipline, which often boils down to eliminating distractions. This means creating environments where focus thrives, like working in a clean, quiet space or turning off phone notifications during work hours. Importantly, they understand the power of small, incremental improvements. Known as Kaizen, this mindset focuses on making 1% improvements daily. Over time, these small habits compound into significant results. Bonus tip, prioritize self-care. This might surprise you, but highly productive people don't burn the candle at both ends. They prioritize self-care because they know that productivity is unsustainable without physical and mental well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep aren't luxuries. They're necessities for peak performance. Taking care of your health gives you the energy, clarity, and stamina to tackle your goals head-on. And there you have it, 3 habits that highly productive people swear by: prioritizing with laser focus, mastering time management, and staying consistent through discipline. These habits aren't complex, but they do require intention and practice. Now, here's the exciting part. You can start applying these habits today. Which habit resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on productivity, self-improvement, and unlocking your potential. Remember, productivity isn't about doing everything, it's about doing the right things. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.